4 plus 4, 8.
Hello everyone, I am Misika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. It's a rainy Sunday over here and I'm with my family today because we are going to discuss a few things today. I have my father here. He's the CEO of one of the top real estate companies in Ghana. He has been in business for more than 30 years. And I also have my brother here. He is new in business and has been going at it for a few years now, and he has some knowledge about business. So today we're going to be discussing the safest investment in the 21st century. The world has seen a lot of hyperinflation in the 21st century, a lot of recessions in so many countries, and a lot of people have just lost their money in the past years. So today we're going to be talking about the investments that you should do today that will help preserve your wealth and also create generational wealth for you. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. I'll start with my dad. Daddy, what's the safest investment to do today?
When you say safest, it's relative.
It's relative.
Because what will be safe today will not be safe tomorrow.
No.
But
True.
at least they are in a scale. Some are more safer than others. Yes. So I will talk about the safest investment in our context as a developing country.
Okay.
Because what will be safe in this developing country is different from what will be safe in developed country.
Sure, very true.
In developing country, you know, our #1 challenge is housing. Okay. #1 challenge is housing. So I would say that real estate is one of the safest investments in our time because we are developing and we don't have enough shelter. You know, real estate is one of the safest. Why is safest? Safest is that a lot of people are looking for decent accommodation.
Sure.
So you are sure that there's a need for what you want to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And real estate is like a brick and mortar. You can touch it, you can feel it, you can manage it yourself.
Yes, it's tangible.
But it's different from other investments that you do that somebody else manages it for yourself.
Yeah.
If the person don't manage it well, it goes bad and it affects you.
Yeah.
But in the terms of real estate, most of the time, even if you give it out for somebody to manage it, because it's a fiscal structure, that person cannot take it away.
True. It stays there.
You can insure real estate, but you cannot insure other investments.
Yeah.
You get it? So you can have a real estate, then you insure it. So you are double sure
that is going to be safe.
Is, you know, you are going to have something from it. Whilst maybe you have bonds, shares, and all that things that somebody manages it for you.
Sure.
You cannot insure it. So if something goes wrong, your money goes to the bank. So I would say that real estate #1 safest in our context, because in our part of the world, properties also don't depreciate.
They don't depreciate. They appreciate. Right?
They appreciate. But all other investments also depreciate.
Yeah, very true.
Maybe share values keep depreciating as the currency depreciates.
Yes.
But property keep appreciating because cost of building material and material keep appreciating. And as they appreciate, it also appreciate. Even building, as more development are coming there, you know, even the land also appreciates.
Okay.
As infrastructure comes there, it appreciates.
Yes, because
so
it's
the
highly
probability
desirable.
of your investment appreciating is higher.
High.
Unless maybe you build in a maybe a conflict area or waterlogged area. Do you understand?
Yeah. Then people won't want to move there.
But the one assurance that all this can be insured. You can insure it against fire. You can insure it against area pests, earthquake, and other things. Okay. So I would say that it's something that you can also pass on from one generation to another generation, because houses last more than 100 years.
Okay, yeah.
You get it?
Okay,
and sometimes the older the house, the higher the price. When it comes to real estate, I will dwell on mostly residential and brick and mortar, because real estate, involve other things, but that will involve myself with brick and mortar. Brick and mortar, most of the time, it lasts long.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
let me tell you one thing: houses that are sold 20 years ago, now even the land worth more than the price of the house.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying you will never go wrong if all the necessary checks are done before doing it. Like you make sure that you get a property with a very good foundation. It's not flat area. You get it.
Yeah.
It's not concrete area.
Yeah.
No, you are good to go.
You're good. The house will definitely.
And I know people who have houses so many years, they are passed it on over generation, and their generation is still enjoying them. When it comes to housing, you know,
we always need houses.
You always need houses.
Sure, yeah.
You get it. You always, because houses are not movable. Yeah. Every immovable something is not the safest, but housing is not movable. Yeah. So it's and I don't see. I've not come across anybody who has made it in life without a little of races.
Yeah, it seems like this part of the world, every successful person is into real estate one way or the other. Still on real estate, I think the last time we were having a discussion and you were telling us about how you can use your house to buy yourself another house. I didn't quite understand it. Can you elaborate? Yes,
I also say that you see, when it comes to property, you can use the property to generate more wealth.
How?
How is by a form of equity. Because it's a immovable property, you can also use it as a collateral to take money out of what you have, and it's still yours, but use it as a collateral, and you can get money to buy another house or to do another business. You see, and it should be part of the the benefit of real estate. Because the prices keep appreciating, like every 2 years or 3 years. If I bought the house at 100,000 this year, and next 3 years the same house is maybe 150,000, I can safely go for the 50,000 and use it to do another kind of investment.
True.
Moreover, your house is there, maybe you are staying in it, or you have rented it out and it's giving you investment.
Yeah.
You can be getting income from your house. You can also get your capital from the same house. Every 5 years, you take equity and use it to do another thing. So by the time you see one house, you have multiplied it over 20 years to have about 4 houses. And all of them will also be giving you rental income.
Watch out for part 2, where we talk about how to safely invest your money in real estate.